I'm not sure how much of that recorded because I ran out of memory card, but we're back at the house that we watched about a week and a half ago. It's after New Year's, so I'm gonna take y'all around, let you see the after. We had to touch up one little spot under a bush that she trimmed back, and there was a line. I had to hit a little spot on the gutter. We had a really windy day like a week ago, and I think some of those leaves just got trapped on top of the grating, so I went ahead and pulled those off. It was like 6 inches worth of leaves, so I pulled that off. And yeah, guys, I'm really happy with the results, so let me show y'all. I'm gonna do a little kind of like cinematic view of the house, and then I'll talk to y'all again soon, so enjoy. So as y'all can see, the roof looks fantastic, man. Like I said, we had a pretty good rain, so most of the moss fell off. We're gonna let it probably rain like another 2 or 3 times, and the rest of the moss should fall off. But man, all the gliocaps magma, all the lichen, the moss, it's looking really good. All the gliocaps magma's gone, so now we're just waiting on that moss to kind of fall off and do its thing. But the house looks fantastic. The roof up here looks good. The house is really clean, guys. I'll take y'all to the back. You can see, I'll probably put in like a couple clips of the old or the before. But now, man, it just looks great. I know it's kind of hard to see with the sun. The house looks good. Some of this down here we tried to get off, but I think that's, I mean, obviously it rained before or after we cleaned it. So I think some of that was just kind of splashing back up on the house because it looked a lot cleaner than that. But some of that stuff was just kind of the paint starting to fade off the bricks. So everything looks really good. Go on the back real quick, show y'all the back. We did this concrete pad back here, that concrete pad. We did all this concrete in here, which you can't really see, but the roof looks really good. The customer is very happy with the results. So I'm actually on my way to bid another roof right now in town, and I'll take some pictures and maybe throw that in here, but I don't want to put the camera in the new customer's face. So yeah, guys, let me know what you think. I think it turned out really good. As you can see, it's super muddy here, and it's not as clean as whenever we first came, or whenever we left. The driveway looks really good as well. So yeah, guys, thank y'all so much for watching. I'll throw in some before and afters right here. Let me know what you think, and I'll see you on the next one, guys. Happy New Year.